Hey, welcome back to Be10x. This week in AI was absolutely wild. If you blinked, you might have missed. The OpenAI's game-changing new models, Shopify CEO's industry-shaking memo, and mind-blowing updates from Google Cloud Next 2025. All this happened in just 1 week, and we're covering everything right here. So let's dive into the AI world that's transforming as we speak. OpenAI just dropped 3 new AI models that will change everything. GPT 4.1 is the most powerful model yet, with a million token context window and a massive 21% boost in coding skills. But here's the game-changing part. The 2 smaller models are absolutely insane. The GPT 4.1 mini matches GPT-4o's intelligence while slashing cost by 83% and running nearly twice as fast. And Nano, it's lightning quick for tasks like classification while still handling that same million token context. The craziest part, these models aren't just smarter, they're more efficient too. GPT 4.1 crushes coding benchmarks with a 54.6% score and dominates long context understanding, making it perfect for developers working with massive code bases. This isn't just an upgrade, it's OpenAI completely redefining what AI can do at every price point. At Google Cloud Next 2025, the future of AI just got unleashed with startups that are absolutely mind-blowing. Let me show you the top 5, starting with Anysphere, the brilliant minds behind Cursor, who've made coding with AI so simple anyone can do it. Then there's Hebia, whose AI devours thousands of pages in seconds, whether it's legal documents, research papers, or corporate data. What makes it so powerful is Google's own Gemini modules running behind the scenes. Now look at Synthesia transforming how we create videos. You simply type your script, select an avatar, and instantly get a professional video without ever touching a camera. For the physical world, physical intelligence is creating software that gives robots the ability to handle real-world challenges like never before. With backing from giants like Jeff Bezos and Sequoia Capital, they're set to revolutionize automation. And don't miss SI building AI systems so advanced they can reason and solve problems across multiple fields at once. These aren't just random startups, they're the companies reshaping our future with AI. This CEO says no new hires without proof that AI can't do the job. Toby, Shopify's founder, just shocked the business world with this wild announcement. In his bold memo, he declared teams must demonstrate why they can't achieve results using AI before requesting any new headcount. His exact words, before asking for more resources, teams must prove why they cannot get what they want done using AI. And this isn't just empty talk. Shopify has already cut 20% of its workforce since 2022, with Toby directly linking some cuts to AI advancements. They've even created an internal AI assistant called Sidekick that handles everything from coding to customer service, making some traditional roles completely unnecessary. But here's the surprising twist. Toby isn't anti-human. He believes the best results come from human AI collaboration, claiming productivity jumps by 30% when they work together. This approach might seem harsh, but it's a glimpse into how many companies will reshape their workforce in the AI era. Google just transformed the AI world overnight. AgentSpace is revolutionizing how AI works by letting agents from different companies actually talk to each other. Think about it. Instead of jumping between tools, these AI agents now form an entire ecosystem that works together. The game-changing part, their agent-to-agent protocol lets different AI systems share info while keeping your data secure. This means AI can now handle complex workflows like analyzing financial data or researching markets, all without human help. And you don't need coding skills. Create custom agents through simple conversations that automate tasks that used to take hours. It connects with tools you already use, Confluence, SharePoint, Jira, and works across text, audio, and video. Google just turned AI from single player to multiplayer mode, and it's about to transform how businesses operate. This AI creates a 60 seconds long cartoon animation with one prompt. Berkeley researchers just shattered what we thought was possible with AI animation. While most video AI can barely handle 10-second clips before characters start changing or glitching, this new test time training system keeps perfect consistency for a full minute. The game-changing innovation is a neural memory system that works like a digital notepad. Traditional AI basically forgets what it was doing 30 frames ago, but this system maintains a running memory of characters, scenes, and storylines. After watching just 7 hours of Tom and Jerry cartoons, the AI now creates coherent stories where Tom stays Tom and Jerry stays Jerry across every scene and camera angle. The implications are massive for entertainment industry. We're literally watching the birth of AI that can tell visual stories the way humans do, with continuity, character, and creative flow. This AI just taught itself to find diamonds in Minecraft without ever being shown how to play. Google DeepMind's Dreamer AI has accomplished what many human players struggle with. Unlike other AI systems that watch humans or follow programmed instructions, Dreamer learns entirely through trial and error. What makes this special is its world model, allowing it to imagine future scenarios and predict rewards just like humans think abstractly. Starting in random worlds with no knowledge, it gradually learns to gather wood, craft tools light, and mine deep underground. The system gets small rewards for completing milestones, slowly optimizing its strategy through reinforcement learning. After 9 days of continuous play, Dreamer successfully mined its first diamond. This breakthrough shows AI can develop general knowledge and apply it to new situations without human guidance. Researchers believe this approach could help robots learn complex tasks in the real world, where trial and error is much costlier than in a game. This AI builds websites without you writing any code. I just deployed a professional website on my domain. And the crazy part, I didn't write a single line of code because I hate front-end coding. Here's my 5-step secret that will blow your mind. First, I couldn't organize my website ideas, so I just spoke them out loud to ChatGPT with TDS mode on, instantly capturing everything in my head. Then ChatGPT transformed that messy transcript into a perfectly structured website plan that made complete sense. Next, I wanted that sleek Y Combinator style, so I grabbed a quick screenshot of their startup's pages using a simple Chrome extension. With that inspiration, I asked ChatGPT to craft the perfect design prompt based on the screenshot, and what it gave me was pure gold. Finally, I took my structured thoughts and that design prompt straight to Lovable, pasted everything in, and watched as my professional website built itself before my eyes. After just a few English language tweaks, no coding required, my stunning website was ready to launch. Isn't this crazy? This is the future of web development, your ideas instantly becoming reality. And that's a wrap on this week's AI Madness. If you found this helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments which update blew your mind the most. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube and Instagram so you never miss the next big AI drop. See you next week with more game-changing AI updates.